At about 5:13 this Tuesday morning. So areas that got a lot of very heavy rain yesterday, don't be surprised if there's maybe a little bit of fog, just that little dampness on the ground. Sometimes you can get that early in the morning. I'm looking at the visibilities. It's really nothing significant, but sometimes in areas you get a real lot of rain. I'm looking at you, Polk County, because you got all that rain yesterday in interior Polk County anyway. So just look out for a couple little patches of fog. No big deal. Mostly 70s, low to mid 70s again. Brandon at 70, Tampa 73. Frostproof Sebring, Lake Placid, that little stretch of Highway 27 at 68, 69 degrees. First thing this morning, of course, the humidity up sky high. That is not going to change. It was like, we talked about this yesterday, it was like summertime arrived this past weekend, the heat and humidity part of summertime. Still struggling a little bit with the rain chances. They've been mainly inland. They'll be, again, mostly inland again today. And it's all about the wind direction. Now, we don't have a lot of wind out there. So when the wind is really, really light like this and the air starts to warm up, right? You get into the 80s by lunch, upper 80s, that air starts to rise. When that air starts to rise, air comes flowing in from the Gulf of Mexico to replace that air. It's called a sea breeze. That's a very easy definition of the sea breeze. The problem is that will tend to push all the storms inland. So Polk County, Highlands County, all of a sudden you're getting a much, much better chance just based on the fact that that wind has started to push everything inland. But before that happens, maybe 1 or 2 o'clock or so, somewhere in that range, there could be 1 or 2 little showers and storms right along the coast before everything pushes in. But you can look at the rainfall forecast for the next 3 days and note that, yes, most of it is going to be well inland. Now, eventually, it always happens, we're going to set ourselves up in a pattern with an east wind, and that would favor storms back along the west coast. Not in the next few days, though. I just think most of it is going to be inland. 89 degrees today, humid, some scattered afternoon, evening thunderstorms. You're looking at a rain chance at the beach, 30%, Tampa maybe 50%, and then like 60 to 70% in Polk County. So we're ramping the rain chances up as you go inland. By the end of the week, in the holiday weekend, we're lowering the rain chances for everybody. And high temperatures as a result get back up to about 90 over the holiday weekend.